Children, welcome to our class of safety. Children, when you are at home or outside or in school, you should take care of yourself when you are not with your elders or parents. So, you should follow some safety rules to be safe rather than feel sorry for doing those untoward things. So it is better safe than sorry. How true? There are some basic safety rules every child must follow. Remember, you can avoid accidents if you are careful. So, you should be very careful in order to avoid any kind of accidents that might happen to you. So, at home, there are some things that you must follow to be very careful so that you are not feeling sorry for doing that. So, first you should not play with any kind of sharp objects like knives, blades, or scissors. So, these may be useful for your elders, for your parents, and those who are older, those who have understand what is right or wrong. So, you are not supposed to touch those sharp objects because it might hurt you. Never touch a burning gas stove. So, when your mom is cooking on the gas, you should not go near it or try to touch it. Do not go near fire or very hot objects. So, when there is a fire burning, you should not try to touch it or go near it. Never try and operate electrical gadgets. So, don't dare to try any kind of electrical gadgets in your house. Any electrical appliance that is in your house, you should not play with it or try to operate it when you don't know about it. Do not put anything but food in your mouth. So, apart from the eatables, you should not try to put anything loitering around or falling around, and don't take it in your mouth. Do not touch electrical sockets or wires. So don't touch electrical sockets or wires. It might hurt you or it might harm you. You might get some correct current or might get some electrical shocks. So don't dare to touch any kind of electrical sockets or wires. Never touch a fan or light switch with wet hands or feet. So don't you touch any kind of light or fan switches with any wet hands. So when you come out of your washroom, don't you touch the switches with your hands. First, wipe them and dry it out. When your hands are dry, then switch off the lights and fans. Never take or apply medicine or ointment without asking elders. So, you might be having a lot of medicines which your elders might be eating or consuming. So, you should not ever try to touch or do anything with those medicines or ointments. Then, do not put any object in your ear or nose. So, be very careful. Your ears and nose are your sense organs and they are very sensitive. So, don't put any object into them. Now, here's a small activity regarding what you have learned till now. So, these are some objects shown, some pictures of some of the things that you have in your house. So, which of these objects are not safe for you? You have to circle them. So, it's your turn to find out which is not safe for you. Let's see what we should do when we are in the playground. Very first of all, we should turn back to our houses as soon as it gets dark. So you should not loiter around in the playground when it is dark. You should return back to your home. And secondly, never talk to any kind of strangers or take things from them. Or you should not go out with the person whom you don't know. Then thirdly, do not pick or touch up any things that are lying around in a park or on the road. So don't you dare touch or pick up anything that you find lying like this on the road. Next, do not play alone in a park or playground. So when you are in the park or playground, see that there are more people roaming about. So if it is vacant and no one is there, then be very careful, don't go into that park. Never tease or play with a stray dog or cat. Don't mess with them. They are very dangerous. If you tease them, they will jump on you and they might hurt you. So be very careful. So children, till now we have learnt a lot of things and I hope you will follow this in your daily routine. So whatever safety rules you have understood, be very careful and take care that you don't do any kind of thing for which you will feel sorry later on. So till we meet in our next class with the continuation of this part, it's bye bye.